The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new video, new Cardano video, and I was waiting to make this video because there have been some controversy. Last time I made a Cardano video, people in the comments were saying there's no way Cardano is gonna go down after I said it's gonna go down, you know, people have been unsubscribing because they don't like bad news. Now, before we start saying what's happening with Cardano right now, it's looking bullish. I don't care actually if Cardano is gonna go to 1 million or 0. I'm just caring what's gonna happen next. So when I say something is gonna go down, I don't mean it's gonna go down to 0. I mean it's gonna go down in the near future. Right, next move is down move or next move is up move, right? So when we do technical analysis on this channel is all about technical analysis. We only care what's gonna happen next. So last time we made a Cardano video, it was around 3rd March, around here, and I said it was gonna go down. I didn't draw this 1 hourly triangle over here, but it was around here. Technicals were showing that we are getting some kind of bearish sentiment, right? And I was saying we are going to go down, and we did go down. So we went down around 16% or something like that, all the way down here where we found the bottom, and I'm going to show you where the bottom support actually came. And then we went up again, and now it looks like it's going to go further up. We're going to talk about that. But just keep in mind, every time we talk about technical analysis, this channel, we don't care actually what the price target is in 2022 or 2025. Cardano, for all I care, might be #1 above Bitcoin in 2025, right? But I'm not a long-term holder. We on this channel are not long-term holders. We just care what's going to happen next. So that in mind, let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and start talking about what's happening with Cardano right now. And like I said, it is bullish. So last time after the video, I made this triangle over here, just keep on watching what's happening with the Cardano. It broke on the downside after on the triangle, went all the way down to the 1.03. And then it got a bounce, and now it's making this new triangle over here. So we can draw a very nice triangle over here that it soon is gonna get out of. And Bitcoin is looking very bullish, you have to understand that. So Bitcoin being bullish, market being bullish, this is gonna be bullish as well. So where did we actually get support at 1.03? And that's the moving average, 20 moving average right over here. You can see it clearly, it got support on the 20 moving average, hit a couple of downs below that, and it's moving up. We had three targets for our support. One was 1.14. It was up here. The second one was 97. That was down here, and then we had one more all the way down that I said that's very bearish target, but it was all the way down here. We got almost down to 1.97 target, but didn't, but because this 20 moving average did actually hold the line as it should have held it. So this looks right now very bullish, and let's continue watching what's happening. So basically now on the MACD, when we made the video, also the reason why we were bearish was because we were getting this bearish cross on the MACD. Now we had 4 days of bearish time, so this should start continuing converging again, and we should get some kind of a bullish cross sooner or later. And once this bullish cross hits in, it's gonna be a very big upside, right? So let's look at a little bit what's happening on the 4-hourly chart and how is this holding up. Also on the 4-hourly, you can see that we are above the blue line. That's 100 moving average. We are above it, and we are trying to get above the 20 moving average, and soon the next target should be around breaking 1.2 or something like that. This is gonna go a little bit down. So first move is getting above the 20 moving average, getting out of this triangle. If we break on the upside, this triangle upside, you can expect a lot more for the upside, and on downside it should actually be very bearish bearish thing. but I don't think we're gonna get down the downside, because you can see here, even on the 4 hourly, we did hold this blue line very nicely. So this triangle is actually the one to be watching at. We can see it very clearly on the 1 hourly. 1 hourly, it looks very good, because we just popped above the 20 moving average. We are popping up above the 50 moving average. The blue line is actually following this triangle very nicely. So as soon as we are out of this triangle, we will be above the 100 moving average, and you can see here that was the 50 moving average on the 4 hourly. And this is the 200 moving average on the 1 hourly. So basically this area up here, something like this, it's very important to break. It's very important to break. But as soon as we get out of this triangle, this is gonna be next to resistance, and once we are above, what's this? Once we are around 1.2 or something like that, and we close above that, that's gonna be very bullish. So let's just see how this works out on the moving averages on the daily, and you can see here that although we do hold the 20 moving average down here, the 10 moving average is at 1.2, and as you can see, the 10 moving average, the white line, is the one that actually pushing the price all the way up. When we broke this over here, the 10 moving average, we got support at the 20 moving average, but the 10 moving average is actually the one to hold. So that's around 1.2 or 1.21, and that's the resistance we have to break. Once it's broken, Cardano is again looking very, very bullish, very healthy, and very good. So again, don't judge me because I say it's gonna go down, it's gonna go up. I really don't care what price does. I just care that I'm right, and that's how technical analysis work. If you put too much emotion in it, too much money, you get emotional, you don't like hearing bad news, right? So I understand that, but we have to be reasonable, realistic about what's happening right now. What we can say is we are having very nice support at the 20 moving average. Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole is looking very bullish, very healthy, and now what we have to look for next is getting out of this triangle over here and getting above the 10 moving average. If we can do that, it's gonna be very nice. Anyways guys, take care, subscribe to the channel, and not like you know, if you want to unsubscribe if you don't like my technology, that's fine, but like if you want to hear realistic things about what's gonna happen, because I'm unbiased about most of the things I'm talking about, subscribe to the channel, man. We do technical analysis here. We don't talk fundamentals, only technical analysis. We don't care what's gonna happen with Cardano in 5 years or something like that. I also posted one community post asking people like, will Cardano flip Ethereum, you know. It was a joke post, but you have to understand that Cardano is still in the project and build not finished project, and the amount that's built on Ethereum versus Cardano is just insane. Like, you cannot even compare those two projects. So saying that Cardano should flip the Ethereum right now, that's hard for me to believe. But I don't care. I just care what's gonna happen next, and next move should be upwards, the way I see it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.